This is a tour of room 33810 in W, Las Vegas. This is formerly the Delano for anybody that doesn't know. So coming into the room and to the left here is the guest toilet and sink and mirror. Nothing too fancy, it's just for guests, I guess. Coming into the main section of the room, it's fairly spacious. We have a work desk just here, and it's nice and large. Some of the ones in Vegas can be a tad small, but this one's nice and large. Lots of outlets there for the television, which is just here to the left of the desk. And over here, a nice comfortable sofa. Well, I say comfortable, but I certainly wouldn't sleep on it, I can tell you that much. As you can tell, it is slightly unrenovated, so this is in the era of just changing to W Las Vegas. The view is of the South Strip, and you can see all the way down south, and you can see the airport too. A little bar area here with the nice fancy ice bucket, tiny little sink, and here you have your mini fridge, which is full of things you shouldn't purchase because it's very expensive. Side note, there is no actual fridge for yourself in this suite. Bed was fairly comfortable, I quite enjoyed sleeping on it. Another television set here in the bedroom, and there is plenty of space and storage for your clothes and whatever else you want to put in the cupboards and drawers. You can see there's about 9 or 12 drawers here, I think there was. It's quite a lot. I don't think anyone's ever really going to fill those, to be honest. But there you go. In here you have the safe as well, which is the standard safe, and I do like these safes. Not a fan of wall safes. This one is perfectly fine. Nice drawer there at the bottom. Nice chair and a little table in the bedroom. Not quite sure why, but yeah, it's nice to sit on. And this is the other window with the exact same view as you saw before. There's the 15. And turning round past the bed. And I don't know why they always give you those little suitcase holder things. I never use them. In here is the main bathroom, so we have the toilet just here. It's a toilet, what more do you want to see? A very large mirror, lit as well. 2 sinks, 2 lots of taps, plenty of space for you and your significant other. And just to the right, as you can see, there is a bath as well. The bath I find very small in these suites. I just feel like I'm a bit crouched if I have to lie in that, so I'm not a fan of the bath in here. Shower is at least somewhat spacious. Makes a bit of a noise when I open this one. It's definitely in need of some renovation, this room. Shower pressure was okay, not the best, but overall I wouldn't really recommend staying in W until it has been renovated. Hopefully the renovation should come fairly soon.